Welcome creative to another day of AI video generation with digital impact. Today we are going to learn how to use Google Whisk and Google Flow to create images and turn them to AI videos. So the first step is to go to your Google Chrome or any browser at all you are using, then search for Google Whisk. Once you see Whisk AI, click on it, then click on the first link. So once the landing page appeared this way, click on Browse Gallery, enter 2. So on the text box, here is where you enter your prompts. You can generate prompts from ChatGPT first before coming here, or you can put in your prompts directly from this place. Then let's explain some features, some of the icons you need to master. So this place you see add image, this particular place, the first icon here and the second one by the third one. The first one is used to add already made prompts from Whisk, like here. Once you click on the icon, it automatically inserts a prompt. So if you are good with it, you can click on this arrow, this black and yellow arrow, click on it to generate the image for you. By default, Whisk is used to create images. Then there's still a feature where you can turn it to video directly from Whisk. Depending on your preference, you choose what you want. If it is portrait images you want, click on the second icon, then choose the aspect ratio you want. The first one is Instagram square, followed by the portrait one, which is 9:16, either for YouTube short or for TikTok or Instagram reels. Then the last one, landscape, is for YouTube long form videos. So whichever one you choose, by default it's always on landscape, but if what you want is portrait, click on the middle one, then go back. Then coming up here, starting from the left side, this thread line here, you use it to do any setup you want and access some other features. Coming from the left side is where the image and video you generated will appear. Then the one at the right is your profile picture. So once everything is set, go to your prompt, edit it the way you want before you click on the send button. So this is not what I want. Let's erase this and input the correct prompt you want to generate. Take note, it will automatically generate 2 images for you. So you choose the one that best describe what you want, then turn it to video or export it as image. The prompt is ready. So click on the send button to generate. So wait for it to generate the image. So you choose between the two, the upper and the down one. Let's go with the first one. So once you click on the image, you will see options. This one here, the icon from the left side, use it to generate video directly from Whisk, while this is to like, while this is to share. The last one to the right side is to download the image. I will download it first. Now after downloading, then click on the video icon to generate video. Okay, on Whisk there's a downside here. You cannot like generate video from a portrait image, but once you turn it to landscape, you'll be able to generate video directly from Whisk. But if you download this image, take it to Google Flow, you can be able to generate this video even as a portrait image. So click on this icon here, click here to change the aspect ratio. So here, change it to landscape. Okay, what will happen is reuse the prompt to generate another landscape image so we can create video directly from WHISK. The landscape is ready, so click on the first one, then click on the video icon. You have a chance to put in your prompt, but by default there's option here. It say give it some animation, what it will say. So if you don't have prompt, you can make use of this one. Google Whisk will automatically give the image voice like audio. It will automatically decide what the image will say. But if you have your own prompt, what you want to happen here, you can put it here and then click on the send button. Let's just make use of this. Click on the send button, then wait for it to load. It will count from 1 to 100%. Then you can be able to play the video. Alright, the video is ready. So click on the play button to...
The free maintenance package is a strong selling point. Absolutely, it adds significant value to the purchase. We should emphasize that in the presentation.
You can share directly from here. Then you can download to your gallery by clicking the download icon.